What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Cloth Armors of the World Volume 2 crafting book in Crimson Desert. If you fancy yourself a second edition of some light clothing instead of bulky armor, then make sure to pick this second volume up, or rather buy it. You'll find the crafting book inside the city of Delesia, by this X mark here to the left of the statue's map drawing. Go to that area of the city, and when you find the statue, look to its west side and you'll find this building with the cart in front of it. Approach that building, and when you see the clothing displays, you're at the right spot. Now go inside and head upstairs. On the other side of the upper floor is the book on top of a table by the looms. Buy it for 2 silver and 30 copper and it's yours. Read the book to learn its recipes and go to a nearby smithy to check the newly unlocked craftables. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.